Want to make your streams look crystal clear at 1080p and buttery smooth at 60 fps? Stick around because I'm about to show you the ultimate Streamlabs desktop setting to make your streams look professional and run flawlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Streamlabs desktop application. Then you need to do is open up your settings menu from the bottom left, and then we are going to navigate to the output tab. We are going to change the output mode to advanced to access more options. The first thing we are going to do here is change the encoder to ideally your hardware encoder. For NVIDIA graphic cards, this is going to be your NVENC new encoder or whatever the latest one is. If it only has one and doesn't actually say new, just select that one. We are going to be selecting this one because I don't have NVIDIA. For the rate control, you want to make sure this is on CBR. For the bitrate at 1080p 60 fps, we are ideally going to want a 6000 bitrate. This is going to be dependent on your upload speed. But for 1080p 60 fps, you definitely want a 6000 bitrate. Keyframe will be automatically set for you. For the target quality, you mostly want to always leave this on quality if you can. If you are having performance issues, you could bump it down to balanced, but you are going to take more of quality hit. Ideally, quality is the best balance here. Everything else you can just leave on default. Go to your video section and make sure your base canvas resolution is set properly to your monitor size. I have a 1080p monitor for instance, and you just want to make sure that your output scaled resolution, which is what is actually being streamed, is set to be proper 1080p resolution. In this case, mine's actually set to 1364, so I need to change that to 1920x1080 so that my stream is actually being output at 1080p. To make sure you are on the 60 fps, just come down here to common fps values because yours might be on 30. Make sure it is set to 60 properly. For the downscale filter, it's default to bicubic, but it's really not too big of a difference in my opinion. Lens ZOS is technically better quality. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.